Hi everybody. Today's concept. Why we can't see the air. Okay. For that we have to know some more concepts. Okay. Terms. Let me explain. First, reflection. Reflection means bouncing back of light, right? If for example, I'm taking a ball, okay, cricket ball. I'm putting on the floor. What will happen? It will return to my hand, right? Likewise, if I throw a light on an object, it hits and come back. Then it is called reflection. And the second term is scattering. Just imagine we are having a white floor and you're having some beads which is so colorful, bright colors, and even you can include black, but a white light colors and white colors. Okay, just imagine you're pouring on the floor. What happens? It will scatter, right? That is scattering. Similarly, if something that scatter light, it is called scattering of light. Example, tiny particles usually scatter light. For dust, we can take as dust. Okay, dust usually scatter the light. Two concepts over. Third concept is partial reflection and refraction. For that you have to know what is refraction, right? What is refraction? Refraction means it will allow completely. Example, if I'm taking a stone and putting in the pond, what will happen? It will completely get inside and it won't come to the place from where I throw, right? Similarly, if I throw a light and it completely moves inside that object, then it is called refraction. But I said partial reflection and refraction, right? From the name itself, you can say partial. It is allowing partially and not allowing partially, right? Similarly, now we have completed four concepts. What is that? Reflection, scattering, partial reflection and refraction, and refraction. The fifth one is emission of light. Okay, some objects have the ability to give light. Okay, source of light. They are called emitting light. Okay, that is what we call as emitting light. Example, fire. Right, fire emit the light. Okay, then this is a concept. Then we have to know what are the conditions for an object to be visible for our naked eyes. Okay, if any object satisfies four of these concepts, it is called visible, and only one condition is not satisfied. Means if it is satisfied one condition, that is refraction, then that object will not be visible for our eyes. Example, refraction, right? First I will explain something else, then I will come to that. I'm taking a book or something. What happens? It will reflect the light, right? That's why we are seeing the book. It is visible. Next, scattering. Scattering means the smoke. We are seeing the smoke, but we are not seeing the air, right? Because smoke contains dust particles. They usually scatter the light. That's why we are able to see the smoke. Okay. Similarly, yesterday you can have a doubt. You said fire is allowing the light, okay, which is refraction. That's why we are not getting shadow. But if it refract, we should not see, right? We should not see that object. But here, fire is not an object. It is emitting, that is source of light. It is emitting light, that is its source of light. That's why we are able to see fire. Okay. Then why we can't see air? Because it is having loosely packed molecules, right? We have seen this in childhood days. Solids are tightly packed, liquids are somewhat loosely packed, and gases are more loosely packed, such that when I throw a light, what happens there? Refraction, such that we are not able to see the air. One more doubt some people may get, that chlorine gas is bluish yellow or greenish yellow. I am not sure about that. Okay, color. And bromine is brown color gas. How they got color? You may have this doubt. Some of you may have this doubt. What is the reason behind that? We'll see in the next video. Thank you.